Do you know the difference between probiotics and prebiotics? Hello everyone. Welcome back to LubDub. Today we are going to talk about a really interesting and important topic for our health: probiotics versus prebiotics. You might have heard these words before, but do you actually know the difference? What exactly are probiotics? What are prebiotics? And why are they both important for your gut health? Stay with me till the end, and you'll have a clear understanding. What is the gut? And gut microbiome? Before we understand probiotics and prebiotics, let's first talk about our gut. Your gut isn't just where food gets digested, it's home to an entire world of tiny living organisms called the gut microbiome. Did you know? There are over 100 trillion microorganisms living inside your gut. That's more than the total number of human cells in your body. Most of them are bacteria, and surprisingly, many of these bacteria are actually good for us. Around 70% of your immune system is located in your gut, meaning a healthy gut helps you fight infections better. Your gut is sometimes called the second brain because it communicates closely with your brain through the gut-brain axis and even influences mood and mental health. Meet your gut's best friends, probiotics. So, what exactly are probiotics? Let's first understand what probiotics actually are. Probiotics are basically good bacteria that live in our intestines. They help with digestion and nutrient absorption. They also boost our immunity and protect us from harmful bacteria. In simple words, probiotics are live microorganisms that provide health benefits when consumed. Now, where can you actually find probiotics? They're present in many fermented foods. Some of the most common examples are yogurt, curd, kefir, kimchi, and kombucha. And I'm sure most of you have eaten yogurt before. That's one of the best and most natural sources of probiotics. Now that we have understood probiotics, let's move on to prebiotics. Prebiotics are not bacteria, they are special plant-based fibers that our body cannot digest directly. These fibers act as food for probiotics, helping the good bacteria in our gut survive and function properly. By feeding probiotics, prebiotics allow them to grow, multiply, and stay active, which improves digestion and boosts immunity. In simple words, prebiotics are the fuel that keeps probiotics strong and effective. Now, where can you actually find prebiotics? They are naturally present in many everyday plant-based foods. Some of the most common examples are bananas, especially when they're slightly raw, garlic, onions, whole grains like oats and barley, and asparagus. And I am sure most of you have eaten bananas or onions before without realizing you were actually feeding your good gut bacteria with prebiotics. Now let's understand the difference between probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms, good bacteria. Probiotics directly add beneficial bacteria to your gut. Probiotics are found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Prebiotics are non-digestible plant fibers that feed those bacteria. Prebiotics support the growth and activity of existing good bacteria. Prebiotics are found in plant-based foods like bananas, garlic. If you only take probiotics but do not give them food prebiotics, they would not survive for long. That's why both should go hand in hand, because they support each other. This relationship is called a symbiotic relationship. When probiotics and prebiotics work together, they can provide several amazing health benefits. They improve digestion and nutrient absorption, and reduce common issues like constipation and diarrhea. On top of that, they strengthen your immune system, support your mood and mental health through the gut-brain connection, and even improve skin health, for example, by reducing acne. So, A healthy gut really means a healthier you. So, to quickly wrap it up, probiotics are the friendly bacteria, and prebiotics are the food that helps them grow strong. When you include both in your diet, your digestion improves, your immunity gets stronger, and your overall health flourishes. Now, I would love to hear from you. Do you already include probiotics or prebiotics in your daily meals? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful health tips.